Center in width. So this meditation is from Generative Somatics, the work of Stacey K. Haynes and her co-founders. And when we center in width, we center into a sense of belonging. So first of all, belonging to our bodies and ourselves. Belonging to all of our tissues, everything that's in our soma. And as we extend our sense of length and width sideways out into relationship with the world, we extend that belonging beyond the self. Belonging to humans and animals and plants and trees. The air, the mountains, the land, the sky. And you can even unfurl your arms like bird wings sideways for a moment to extend your sense of belonging in your imagination, in your mind's eye, into what Thich Nhat Hanh calls your interbeing with everything and everyone. Right hand goes onto the left pec, so you're on your pec major here. Underneath it is your pec minor, which attaches to your coracoid process, the little crow's beak of your scapula that connects to the front of the chest. So once more, reaching the fingers towards the ceiling so the shoulder lifts off, feeling what happens underneath your hands, but also in your chest, and then slowly letting the arm settle back down and the shoulder blade get heavy. Reach up, lower down, land, and pause. Do that a few times. Gliding shorter, gliding longer, and then pausing with the weight of the shoulder blade on the end. Gliding shorter, gliding longer, pausing.